Let's draw together. You'll need some paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Touch the blinking arrow to get started. Are you ready? Start by drawing a straight line at the bottom of the page. Next, draw a big square in the center of the line, and then 2 smaller squares on each side. Draw 2 vertical lines above the bigger square. Make a triangle on the top to complete the tower. Draw a curved line like this, and draw a line in the middle to make the gate. We can't leave our castle without flags. Let's draw some more details. Now it's ready for a king or queen.